Sat Shri Akal everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Flying Turbanator. I'm here in Arkansas, now headed to go out fishing here and meeting some lovely people here. Oh, you'll see some interesting things on this video. Enjoy, bye-bye. Alrighty, headed out on a fishing trip with my elder brother here.
Your brother from another mother, huh? Yeah, hopefully when it rained on.
Yeah, we're gonna have some fun today. Alrighty. So we're here in Arkansas, in Benton, Arkansas, with my American family here. This is my elder brother's house, and that's my younger brother's house there. So this is where I spent a lot of time while I was growing up. Alrighty, here we go. Okay. So we're here at the Hotsprings Village, alright, with my brother here, Curtis. We're just unloading the boat into the water. Curtis, you need my help?
Nope, you're good.
Okay.
Stay right there, I'm gonna put it in the water real quick.
Okay.
Let me get it.
Wow. Like it well.
Got lucky, got your dog and everything, you know.
Well, that's gonna be fun. So Curtis, does it have a stop here in the water, or how do you stop?
How do I stop?
Do they have like something to block the wheels here when you go inside? When you back into the water?
Well, I stopped, the boat's still hooked up. Now I've just unhooked it.
Okay, so what about the wheels? The wheels are just holding on to your car?
It's hooked up to my truck.
Okay, so there's
It
no...
ain't going nowhere, yeah. I'm fixing to put it in the water.
Okay.
We're gonna try to anyway, just to see. We're gonna take some luck, it ain't been started in a while.
Okay.
Still good boat.
All good?
Waiting on the water pump to hook up. Can we start seeing water spit out of it?
Yep. Oh, hang on. Yeah. Yeah, water is... Yeah. I guess the water... But no, the water's not coming out of it yet. It's just bubbling. Yeah, now it's coming out. Okay. Alrighty. Here we're in the lake.
6 feet of water right now.
So you've got a GPS there?
Oh yeah, GPS up here, depth finder.
And what finder?
See right here, 6 point depth. See, that's the lake, the water.
Oh, depth finder. Oh, lovely. Oh, that's lovely.
But this is not.
Okay, so here we're starting off fishing here now. Okay. So what's your bait?
Well, you're going to be using the centipede.
Okay.
So I've got it Texas rig now, so you can go through the grass with it. See, that's hooked up there. It's going to hit like that on the ground. It's going to dangle. All right.
Okay.
That's what I'm going to do. So watch this. I'm going to throw it out there. Okay, now watch this line here. When that line goes down, you're there.
Okay.
And all you want to do with this, lift it back over and just fish it real slow.
Okay.
Pick it up. See how I'm picking it up? Just bring it down. Just drag it.
We got our first fish here.
Yeah, that's your first.
Yeah, my first fish. Yeah.
Here, hold it.
Oh.
Get a finger on it.
Okay.
Your thumb. See how I got my thumb there? Get your thumb and grab it right there. You got it? There you go now. Let me see it.
Oh.
See? see it. Let me see it.
I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it.
You got it? Now let's catch some fish, man.
Oh wow, that's great.
Perfect, ain't it? That's a little small, but there's a big 5-pounder in here. There's a fish on that.
Alrighty, yeah, we got another fish.
I didn't get skunked. Grab it with your thumb underneath your boot. Lift that ledge up right there underneath your boot.
Okay.
Turn around. Lift that lid up. Right there.
Right here?
Lid up. Yep. Lift it up.
Okay, alright.
Lift it up. Lift it up.
Alrighty. Wow. So that's a good fish to catch.
Well, that's a perfect eating sound.
You're still in the lake, and we got some lovely fish.
Gave me a little tap.
So you got where do you get it at? Which spot?
Right over here.
Right here, right?
I'm fishing around this spinway, getting right back up. He's up shallow, but they're playing up deep. It looks like on these rocks right here. See these rocks? I think they're crawdads.
That's the spot we should be aiming at.
We're gonna try. Pull up on it right there on the handle. Pull up and push down real easy. A little faster than that. Look, here you go. Now you're driving.
Okay.
And you see on the depth where you have to. Yeah. Now you got to go this slow on this lake because they don't want you to break the wake. This thing will run about 70 miles an hour.
Oh wow, really?
It'll get up and go. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I see. I didn't. Right. Is this a GoPro?
Yeah, that's a GoPro.
There's Simron driving the boat, the great fisherman. Done tore up the lake today.
Oh yeah. It was 17 feet.
Yeah. Huh?
That's the deepest, 17 feet.
Well, you was in 30 a while ago, weren't we?
13 feet.
30. Well, I'd have figured out, but I don't know what was the matter with my front graph. So here you go, out here on the lake. Get a picture of these houses out here. There's the front of the boat.
Turn around.
Simron is tearing it up out here. Now I think what it was, I never got the boat up on. We've never got the boat up on plane on this lake, so it's not getting the gas like it needs to. You know, to go. You can't get on plane on this lake. We'd be over there in just 2 seconds, and all these houses, people come out of these houses pissed off at us because water's run up in their yard and everything on. Oh, this thing went off, I think.
Oh, that's okay. Don't worry. The screen goes off, but the video's still recording.
Okay. We got the sun, yes. There's a truck up there. Simron thinks he can fly Airbus. He can surely drive a boat.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, it's been a great day today. Good Friday.
Alrighty, it's good.
Good?
Alrighty, you got it. We're on our way out.
Well, I think should be doing this. And I'm gonna see how this boat's lifted up. It sounds like you're playing. So this boat's lifted up, and then we get something takes off and it sets back down again. Yeah, that's what it is. We just ain't getting it up on plane. It's not made to just run around, it's made to go. We're not going to though. I won't to. Hang on.
Alright, we're getting pulled out of the car.